Sup guys, Peter here from Oversampled. I got a couple of requests of how I made vocoder loops in my latest voices pack, and I decided to make a video and show you exactly how I did them. This is what they sound like. Or like this. Yeah, this one is crazy. I was using a plugin called Pitch Monster, which allows you to do the vocoders stuff. Basically, any sort of vocoding plugin will work. I was using this one exactly, so I'm gonna show you how I used exactly this one and how I got exactly the sounds that are inside a sample pack. So basically, what you need to have is a vocal. In this case, I'm gonna be using this ad-lib. You can put there any vocal you want, you're gonna get different results with different vocals. And on the vocal track, I'm gonna put this pitch monster thing. And this is a granular, that's why it's amazing. This is a granular pitching plugin, really cool one. You can shift formants here and you can vocode, which is really amazing. Yeah. So what we want to do is just go to this vocode section and click MIDI. Also turn off mono, and basically if we play it back, there's no sound because the pitch of the vocal now is being... We are creating a pitch by playing on this piano, but we want to be able to create MIDI loops actually. So let's go to this MIDI track, and inside output, I'm gonna just send it inside this track, inside the pitch monster. So now I can use this track input and play melodies with it. So I'm gonna open this MIDI and I'm gonna create a melody. So for example, a melody like this. And inside this pitch monster now you have a lot of features and a lot of options, a lot of functions that you can add that make the sound more interesting. We can shift the formants to get a different tone. Now we can make this wider, and if we use this pitch spread, it kind of works like a chorus effect. Okay, so if we use unisono on more voices, you can see that this is like a flanger effect. So using this pitch spread, we can spread the unisono. So this is like one of the ways. You can also pitch this up or down here. Now let's open some presets. There's some cool presets in it. Inside the vocoder section. This sounds like there's no MIDI input here, so we need to put this here. Yeah, it's almost the same thing. Yeah, so this one is one octave down and formants are being shifted down. Sounds really deep. It's really good for making deep, gnarly basses. And some of these, like for example in this one, what I did was like I had some a chord progression. Every single time there's a chord hit, I would just go and do something like this. And I would just put this whenever there's a chord hitting. Yeah, this is how you create vocoder loops. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. See you in the next one.